Good morning, Wave fam from Sao Paulo, Brazil.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh, welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that bell for more of our adventures.
Let's go. So today we are flying from Sao Paulo to Rio de Janeiro. We weren't even planning to go there, but everyone was like, you gotta go to Rio.
Every Brazilian we meet says you have to go to Rio, so we're headed there. I'm super excited. All the photos I've seen, it's absolutely magical, so I'm really stoked, and I'm curious like what it's gonna be like to fly in. We don't have a window seat, but maybe we will. Maybe we'll kick the person out.
Yeah, hopefully. Okay, so security was an absolute breeze. It's a local airport, I think. What's the word for it? Where it's like domestic airport. There you go. So we stopped and got some coffees and de queijo for me. I'm probably still saying that wrong because they always look at me funny when I order it. But one thing I thought was really interesting to share with you guys is that most places that you go in Brazil, when you buy something, you'll get like a receipt, and then you take that to like a separate counter and you order it. We got the same thing happened to us when we went to a bar off camera, and here to get this. A lot of the local places will do that, not like the brand names, but like the local shops will do that. So there you go. You get a receipt, take it to a different counter, and get food. We're waiting for our flight now, and we're gonna fly to Rio de Janeiro.
In my opinion, this flight couldn't have gotten any better. We got up at like 6:45. It took us a 15-minute drive to get here, like through security in less than a half an hour, and then just an hour to chill out, and now it's time to board our plane. So easy peasy, super happy about that. Look at all these people though. Oh my gosh. Let's get in line. I'm excited, and it's only like an hour flight. Not bad at all.
That's gone by super quick. I don't even think we were in the air an hour before they said we're landing, so I got a couple games in on my computer. Ashley's been reading her book. She's like one chapter through, maybe?
Yeah, one chapter.
It's a very small book.
It's such a short flight.
Yeah, it's crazy. We have arrived safely at Galeão Airport here in Rio de Janeiro. Not bad at all. I'm really excited. Thankfully, we're working with the Brazilian Tourism Board, and they were able to help sponsor this video. So the airport itself is helping make this possible. And this is us.
Hi.
Welcome to Rio.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Thank you.
He just said he extends the red carpet for VIPs.
He doesn't know we're not VIP.
He doesn't know.
Don't tell him.
And I speak calmly to the trees, trying to give them hope. And however slowly time destroys our common ground.
And they are so proud of their new TGI Fridays that they have shared with us a meal.
I'm so excited. I ordered steak, and I haven't had steak in, I don't even know, like over a year, I feel like.
Yeah, plus this morning's breakfast, the de queijo, was
not enough. We were so hungry. It's so exciting to be able to order whatever we want on the menu. I always love that. Lunch was awesome. We were nice and full and ready to head to our Airbnb, but this airport, we're getting familiar with it because we have 3 flights out of this airport in the next 3 weeks. We'll be back here for sure.
With New Year. Like young ones with no remorse, stuck in the past no more. Among losers without shame. And I speak calmly to the trees, trying to give them hope.
in Rio, and this city is so different from Sao Paulo. When we came in, there were mountains everywhere. There were people in flip-flops.
I know, like shorts and stuff. Yeah.
It's definitely a lot more like muggy here, I feel like.
I think it's just the weather. It's just the climate at the moment.
Yeah, and we're right next to the beach, which is so awesome. We're in a area called Copacabana, and it's one of the nicer areas of this city, and that's where our Airbnb is, literally a block from the beach. But this is our Airbnb. It's a one-room Airbnb, but it's so cozy and comfortable. We have a TV that we can lay in bed and watch. We have
Which you have done already.
Love that. We also have a window where you can see out to the city and see the mountains on either side, which is amazing. People are down just walking around. You can get the fresh breeze and air into our little apartment. Now off to the kitchen. It's not very far. This is our kitchen! A nice little work counter space where all our stuff has already been laid out to get some work done. And a little kitchen with a little stove top that I have, baby fridge, everything we need. It's pretty awesome. A nice big sink, all the items that we need to cook here, and the bathroom is just back in this hallway where we have a shower and a toilet.
What more do you need? And it's nice.
Yeah.
It's clean. Hello.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. This is going to serve us very well while we're here in the city. When I look for Airbnbs, I look for Airbnbs that are comfortable for us. Having great Wi-Fi is number one of importance, and this Airbnb definitely has it. So if you're interested and you're coming to Copacabana, I do suggest this Airbnb. We are really looking forward to our time here.
Link in description.
Yeah.
So if you know anything about Rio, you know that it's famous for one thing in particular. You wanna... something like that.
If you know what that statue is, then guess down below, but you're gonna have to wait till the next video to figure it out.
Next video, we're going on a little adventure here in Rio de Janeiro. A ton more coming from Brazil. We are super excited to share this entire series with you.
Yeah.
But first, a bit more of Rio. Wayfam, I hope we encouraged you to be... Wayfam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today, and we will see you in the next video.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.